Hello everyone.
Hello.
No matter how bad you are, no matter how bad you are, just never give up. A very marvelous morning to one and all, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Today I will be very glad to share my views with you all. Myself Gungun Madhwani standing in front of you, and here I come to the point. This class is a very awesome one, and myself, I have been willing to tell you that I found a person in my life who is idol to me, as he always provides a path to success. As success can't be achieved without any hard work, and hard work needs to be done very clearly. My sir is a sophisticated one, and he is having a pure heart, as he always know that which type of person is sitting behind us. And he always makes us understand English language and provide us a hope that we are able to learn English. As English can be learned, as it is a very ABCD for us, and we are having the ability and the desire to learn English. I have been coming since here, and I found that I am changing my confidence level here. And I know that the sir has changed the life of many persons, and in his career from last 15 years, he makes everyone skilled and the employed. Here you may see that there are many coaching where they are the committee. Some are doing management, some are teaching, and they are the faculties. But sir is like a one-man army. He always does all the things in his own work. And he is a very awesome teacher, and he is a very delightful one. And he always know that which type to say people that how to learn English. And we all have the desire to learn, and we all have to learn very easily. And we have the determined person that we can do this thing. As nothing is impossible in this whole world, people have the desire and the ability to do things. Dream, dream, dream is written by our president, which were there, APJ Abdul Kalam, that dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in results. So it is very possible that practice makes a man perfect, and the success can't be achieved without any hard work. And the person has the courage and the patience level that they may learn English. At last but not least, I would like to tell you that we should always follow ourselves blindly, as he always makes us understand English very quickly. And in his career, he is a very experienced teacher that he knows which type of people learn English. And he is very sophisticated that he always tell us the truth. That's why we are able to make us understand and rectify our thing that where we are doing a wrong thing. So at last but not least, I would like to suggest you that we should always have to follow ourselves blindly. So at last, I would like to tell you that we should have to give a round of applause for our teacher, Mr. Bhuwan sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys to listen me carefully and patiently. Thank you.